I'm trying to see if I can buy. So I want to catch a move like this. I want to catch a move like this. So that's why I put the pending order here, right? I am not putting this pending order because of this indicator here. No, I don't know how to use indicators, but then I'm just buying here because it met with my confluence using my strategy, which is the edge strategy. So I'll be waiting here to see if I can buy. Then yeah, once I buy, I start stacking up the trades and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, quick one. I told you guys I wanted buying. So okay, at this point, I tried buying at this point, right? But I lost a few bucks. So I said, okay, fine. I closed it and I started selling. Or rather, I was buying at this point, sorry. I said, okay, I'm going to close. I closed in loss. So I wanted catching this pullback. I was selling and I got carried away with something. I was doing something. So at this point, sorry, I was selling and I was supposed to exit, but then I got carried away and I left my chart. So it took me up here, which I said, okay. At this point, I now said, fine, I'll wait for a pullback. As you can see, I'll wait for a pullback. So I'll start buying. So I started buying from this point. Sorry. So I started buying from this point. It got to this point. I already knew. I was expecting it to start buying at the 2 candle formations I was seeing there. But then it brought me to this point. But then I held the positions regardless because I was having about almost $300 loss on that $500 accounts. So mind you, I lost. Let me show you. I had all these losses from here. You know, this was the ones I closed. So I had this loss from 114, 11, and all these things. I had losses, as you can see. It's fine. So I just tried to scalp these ones to try and recover a little bit. So I scalped it. I scalped. So yeah, so I started buying and currently I placed my TP at this point. As you can see it, I wanted taking profit ASAP. So currently the $500 we funded to run all of these tests, currently I want to tell you that the account has been flipped successfully. If I would use that word, success. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay, the account has actually been flipped successfully. So this is what we have currently as our account current balance. This is what we have. So this was the trade. So you can see I only set my TP, and set my TP. All of them are the same. You can see 82.185, 82.185, 82.185, 82.185. Now, reason why I didn't put my stop loss is because, like I said, and I'll always keep saying, is risk what you can afford to lose. So, and this pair, trading this Moon 100, this Moon 100 doesn't respect stop loss. It doesn't respect stop loss at all. So I just had to trade it like that, knowing fully well that, okay, fine. Even if I put my stop loss, it won't be respected. You can't break even on this trade because when it moves, it's going to just take you out like that. So there was no point putting my stop loss. Having it been, I'm also stacking trades, a lot of trades. You can see I took a lot of trades. So having it been, I'm stacking my trades. There's no point actually using stop loss, and I was ready to risk it since I'm trying it and all these things. So yeah, and the other $20 account we funded with this account, the account grew to almost $100 in less than 3 days, and one thing led to another. We lost that account And for my Derive account, the account went up and we made some withdrawals, which I posted on Twitter. So this is this account right now. What do I need to do with this account? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you.